Hello friends, once again welcome to Diksha classroom. This is the 18th day of Diksha Mission JRF. So in the past 17 days, we will be discussing different topics of NTA NET Paper 1 preparation. So now for the last 2 days, we were discussing data interpretation questions. I hope you know that in our syllabus you have 10 topics like teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication, logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, data interpretation, information communication and technology, people development and environment, higher education system, etc. So out of those all topics, normally you have 5 questions from each topics. Even though when we analyze the 2019 December question papers, we can see there is some small variation regarding, in some cases, the number of questions from teaching aptitude is 6. In some cases from research is 4. Small variations, it seems to be. Okay, we can't clearly distinguish whether a particular question belongs to teaching or research or communication. It depends upon individual interpretation. Okay, so which means all the 10 topics have equal importance with regard to our exam, because we have 50 questions which gives you 100 marks, since each question is having 2 marks. Of these 100 marks, it comes around 33.33% of the total 100% of the examination. So it's very important to have a good score in paper 1. At the same time, it's also very important to have a good score in paper 2 too. Since we are discussing about paper 1 aspect, we are discussing much more about importance of paper 1. So out of all the 10 topics, when we analyze, all the 10 topics have vast syllabus. Okay, it's a vast syllabus. Almost if you categorize or if you distinguish the different topics under syllabus into single individual topics, it comes more than 110. So in total you have more than 110 topics for your paper 1 preparation. So already Diksha has released the Diksha progress sheet, in which you have an Excel file or a PDF file of all the complete topics within the tables, in which you have the option to, but we can say, mark after completing each topic, after revising each topic. So if you are yet to receive Diksha progress sheet, you can download it from the YouTube description. It is available in the YouTube description. I'm sure it will be very useful for you to make sure you cover all the topics coming under your paper 1 syllabus. So try to do such a thing, or it's not compulsory that you have to follow Diksha progress. It's just the syllabus that's already available in the internet, in the UGC website and various other websites. But it doesn't matter you follow it or not. What you should make sure is that you cover all the more than 100 topics of your UGC NTA NET Paper 1 syllabus, which you are going to write this time. Okay, so make sure you cover all those topics, and within all those topics, also make sure you cover it in stipulated time. Okay, in a limited time. Definitely you will be knowing that from the last few exams you have 3 hours for at a stretch, which means both paper 1 and paper 2 will be available for the complete 3 hours. You can, from a particular question in paper 1, for example, from a 15th question in paper 1, you can jump to the 25th question in paper 2, then you can come back. So 3 hours is available for attending both paper 1 and paper 2 question, but still you don't have a lazy approach with regards to time management. We can, from the experience of some of our friends, we can say that some of the issues faced by our friends in the past few exams is that the thing that we have 3 hours, we will be having enough time. They have a little lazy approach when they when they attend the paper 1 questions. So there shouldn't be such an issue when you are attending the exam this time. So you should try to complete your paper 1 questions within 1 hour. You should try to complete. Even though in the exam more time will be available, you should try to complete your paper 1 exams in 1 hour, mock test in 1 hour, especially in the preparatory stage. Okay, then only you will get enough time for your paper 2 attending. Definitely, when it comes to exam, you can take more than 15 minutes or 20 minutes from your paper 2 time, or from the whole 3 hours for attending the paper 1. It doesn't matter, but during the training time or during the time in which you are practicing, try to complete paper 1 question within a stipulated time. At the same time, make sure you try to understand which are the topic in which you are weak, which are the main topic out of the 10 topic that we have already discussed, whether you are weak in data interpretation, whether you are weak in mathematical listening, teaching aptitude, environment, etc. So you should know in which topic you are weak at this stage of preparation itself, so that you can focus more on that. Also, try to know what's your existing status with regards to the original NTA NET preparation, to what extent you have moved forward. So there are many methods you can do that. You can go through the previous questions, you can examine your existing status by doing different practice sets. Diksha also offers you a method so as to know your existing status. It is you can attend Diksha free mock test. There are 2 mock tests from Diksha side which you can attend completely for free. The procedure is simple. You want to download the Diksha learning app, which is available in both Play Store and also in the App Store. It's available for both iPhone as well as Android phone. So you want to download Diksha learning app from Play Store or Diksha learning app from App Store. The link for downloading it is given in the YouTube description itself. We will be sending you through the WhatsApp also if you're a part of WhatsApp broadcast, regarding which we'll be discussing later. So you want to download Diksha learning app, sign up. Okay, you can select your subject as Diksha free paper 1 preparation. Just sign up with your mail ID, any phone number. No much details are required. After that, when you open the app, Diksha learning app, in the test session, when you in the dashboard, you can see different session like test session, analytics session, etc. If you open the test session, you can see Diksha free mock test 1 and Diksha free mock test 2. Okay, so you can attend both mock tests. Firstly, you can click on the green icon available, and how to attend Diksha mock test from the app. We have already done a video explaining that. It is also given in the YouTube description of this video. So click on the green icon, agree, and start attending exam. Exam will be similar as that of NTA NET in case related to what we can say the system, the platform, the screen interface, everything is completely similar to that of NTA NET. So you have to select your answer. The time will be, you can see the time running out in the right top corner. Okay, top right corner you can see. You can jump from one question to next question in anywhere you want. So total you will be having 60 minutes for 50 questions of paper 1. So you can attend. After, if you are complete, you can submit the test. If within the 60 minutes you didn't complete it, definitely it will be automatically get submitted. Okay, so after submitting the test, you can see feedback, analytics, etc. You can directly go to the analytics section, or you can come back to app, come back to dashboard, in which you can see analytics. Okay, analytics in the second row in the dashboard itself. So from you, if you click on the analytics, you can see the name of the test you have already attended with a green icon written view. Okay, just click on the view, in which you can see detailed analytics, okay, of the test. For example, you can see the analytics, general analytics of your test, like number of students attended the test, your rank in the test, okay, the time you taken, okay, then your percentage of marks, then your productive time, or the time in which you have given correct answers, etc. You will get detailed analysis with graphs regarding your rank, position, number of students, etc. Next, in the analytics itself, you will get all the question, all the 50 questions, your answer, correct answer. Then in the analytics, you will get, most importantly, you will get the, what we can say, the topic wise analysis of your marks, which means you will get your marks. You can know your marks in teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication, logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, data interpretation, information communication technology, people development and environment, higher education, reading comprehension, etc. So you can know your marks in all the 10 topics time taken by you in different topics also. Okay, so that if you attend the both free mock tests, you will have a rough idea. Now the complete idea, you can get the complete idea only after doing a set of minimum 3 or 4 or 5 tests. After attending both two tests, you can have a rough idea regarding which are your weak areas, which are your strong area, so that you can focus more on your weak areas. At the same time, one of the most important feature of Diksha Analytics is that Diksha Learning Apps Exam Analytics is that it provides you a chance to compare with the topper. Suppose almost 500 students have attended the test. You can compare your mark with the topper. Okay, definitely the topper will be most probably a JRF holder this time, hopefully. So you can compare your existing status with a JRF holder, soon to be a JRF holder. So to what extent you have to improve? So to what extent you have to study, develop, so as to become the topper? And this topper analysis is available in all section also. You can compare your teaching aptitude mark with the topper, your research aptitude mark with the topper, your mathematical reasoning aptitude with the topper, and also you can have your general analysis with or comparison with the topper also, like time taken, okay, number of correct answer, number of wrong answers, everything you have the option. Okay, so definitely you will get an overall idea. At the same time, if you go to the solution aspect, you can get the questions once again. Anytime you can go through the questions, you can get the correct answer, you can get your answer, that's the wrong answer if it's so, and also you can get the explanation. If you click on the left hand corner, okay, you can see some symbol like an amoeba. Okay, if you click on that, you will get the explanation for every question, every mathematical question, every teaching aptitude question, every communication question. You will get the detailed analysis. Okay, you will get the detailed analysis, you will get the detailed explanation to all those questions within the app. And also finally, you have the option to bookmark. Okay, bookmark means if you see a particular question and if you feel that that question is to be revised later, it's a bit tough question, you can bookmark it, so that finally you can revise only bookmark question. There is no need of revising all the question available in that particular test. You can revise those questions which is required by you. And also we provide a Diksha progress report. Okay, within the app, if you are attending, Diksha offers a different set of exams through our app. For example, Diksha offers daily practice sets, okay, from all the 10 topics. One day you will be having tests from a single topic. Similarly, all day the tests will be get activated at 7 o'clock, and then you have time till 7 p.m. You have time till 6:30 p.m. to attend. Your result will be coming the 7 o'clock. It goes on. We have more than 150 daily practice sets, okay, with more than 2000 questions. And also at the same time, Diksha Learning offers an option to attend all the 57 previous questions. So you have a chance to attend all the 57 previous questions in the same way as the latest online NTA NET exam. Okay, all the 57 question papers from 2004 December to 2019 December. All the 10 shift of 2019 December question paper is already available in the Diksha Learning app, which can be attended as an exam. Okay, you can attend those 57 question papers as an exam. You can attend within 1 hour. If you want to make it fast, you can attend within 20 minutes, 30 minutes, etc. Once you attend, you get the detailed analytics in which you get the correct answer, explanation, same way as we have already discussed, rank, comparing you with the total number of students already attended the test. Every provision is available. So Diksha offers more than 150 daily practice tests, 57 previous questions, and also a complete mock test similar to this free mock test. There will be 20 mock tests. Diksha offers a paper on mock test series in which you get the chance to attend 20 mock test series. So altogether you have 150 plus daily practice set, 20 plus mock test, and then you have 57 plus previous questions. So altogether you have the chance to attend almost 230 exams, which covers more than 6,000 questions. And remember, every questions are with explanation. Every questions are with explanation. And once you attend all the tests, okay, if you attend all the tests, you get the detailed analytics. Okay, detail analytics regarding everything. Okay, as we have already discussed, mark, rank, solution, etc. So if you are doing such kind of things, there is a Diksha progress report. I'm saying this because the effectiveness of Diksha progress report can be seen only if you're attending many more tests. So in Diksha progress report, you can see the statistics like where you are going, your progress tracking, whether it's going the good way, whether it's having exponential growth, or whether it's going upwards, or for the past few weeks you are going downwards, etc. So detailed analytics are available in the Diksha progress report also. Okay, so this is one of the way Diksha offers how you can analyze your preparation strategy, how you can practice your mock test. Remember, there are many mock tests available in the website, internet, etc. You can do anything. Okay, you can do your comfortable one, but make sure if you are interested, try to do the free 2 mock tests from Diksha Learning. Have an experience of that. It's completely free. Just download the app. Description is given in the YouTube video. Okay, so that's all about the Diksha Learning app, how you can analyze your preparation, how you have to, what we can say, how you have to know which are your weak areas, strong areas, etc. So that's it. So that's all about regarding your preparation. So next aspect, don't forget regarding your task number 18, the progress report. So the question paper is again provided in the YouTube description, and if you are a part of Diksha paper 1 free broadcast, you will receive that question paper in your WhatsApp itself through our paper 1 free broadcast system. If you are not a member yet, just send join to 9847478690. Once again, 9847478690. The number and the format is also given in the description. If you join the WhatsApp free broadcast, you will get free materials, question papers, practice sets, YouTube video links, and also the regular task question papers. So make sure you do all this. Don't forget about today's task. So let's move to the today's video. Today's video is a video covering the explanation of data interpretation question given as task number 17. Again, the link of task number 17 in the last video, and I have already sent through the WhatsApp also. So let's go to the questions, friends. We will be discussing the data interpretation question 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6 in this set. So friends, let's go to the question.
First one, that is the question number 5. Study the table given below carefully. It shows the number of students appeared, passed and failed in 5 subjects. The full marks in each subject is also given. Some of the cells have missing data. You might need to determine some of the missing data to answer the question. So in the question they have given a table that shows the number of students who have appeared, passed and failed in exam of 5 different subjects. They have also given maximum or full marks in those subjects. The interesting thing is that some of the cells are missing. So first of all, you have to find those cells for getting the answer. So let's go to the question. We will be filling those cells as per the requirement. So first question, what is the approximate difference in percentage between the pass percentage in social studies and the pass percentage in mathematics? So first of all, we have to get the pass percentage in social studies. In social science, we know the total number of students appeared is 360. Total number of students failed is 48. So the total number of students passed will be 360 minus 48, that is 312. So we get total number of students passed as 360 already given. Total number of students failed is 48. So 360 minus 48 gives you 312. So first of all, we will be finding the social studies percentage. Percentage of students passed in social studies will be 312 out of the total students. 360 into 100, that gives us 86.6 percentage. So the pass percentage in social studies is 86.6. And the question asks the difference between the pass percentage in social studies and mathematics. So in mathematics you have total number of students passed is 240, number of students failed is 60. So the total number of students will be 240 plus 60, that is 300. So 240 plus 60, we get 300. So the pass percentage in mathematics will be 240 students passed out of 300. So 240 into 300 by 100, that gives us 80 percentage. So the pass percentage in social is 86.6 and the pass percentage in maths is 80. The question is difference. So the difference will be 86.6 minus 80, that gives almost 6.5 percentage. That's the option 2. Option 2, 6.5% is the correct answer. So moving on to the second question. What is the maximum marks that a student can score in the all 5 subjects together? Here they have given the maximum marks in English, science, social and computer. The cell containing the maximum marks in the maths is blank. No issue. We'll be adding the maximum marks in the given cells. 600 plus 400 plus 400 plus 400. It's 1800. So the maximum mark you can get in 4 subjects except maths is 800. So the total marks in all 5 subjects will be definitely greater than 1800. There is only one option that have a value greater than 1800. So the answer will be 2000. It's very easy. They have given the total marks in 4 subjects: English, Science, Social and Computer. We are adding the total marks. We get it as 1800. So in maths, we don't know what is the maximum marks. Whatever it is, one thing we are sure is that it will be greater than 1800. So that in the option there is only one value that is greater than 1800, that is 2000. So the answer for the question number 2 is 2000. Moving to third question. In which subject was the present the most? It's easy one because in mathematics we have the present as 240 plus 60, that is 300. So the present is mathematics is 300. The present in social is 360. The present, that means the period in English is 600. In science it is 300. So the maximum present is in the subject English with 600 students. So the answer will be English. Very easy one. English is the correct answer. Moving to question number 4. What is the difference between the number of failed students in science and the number of passed in social studies? The question is number of failed students in science and the number of passed in social studies. Number of failed students in science is, we have, in science we have total number as 300, passed as 216. So failed will be 300 minus 216, that will be 84. So failed students in science is 84. Then passed students in social. In social we have 360 as the total number of students and failed as 48. So passed will be 360 minus 48, that is 312. So 312 is the passed students. The question is what is the difference between the passed in social and the failed in science, that is 312 minus 84 will be the difference, that gives you 228. So the correct answer will be option 4, 228. Easy one. 312 minus 84, 228. Moving to the last question, question number 5. Which of the following could be the full marks in maths if the pass marks in maths was 35% and the person who just passed scored 70? So in the table we know that maximum marks in maths is not given. So we want to find the maximum marks. In the question they have given that pass percentage is 35 percentage, and the person who just passed, that means a person who get 35 percentage is 70 marks. That means 35 percentage is 70 marks, which implies 1 percentage is 2 marks. That means 70 by 35, 1 percentage is 2 marks. So the total mark will be 100 percentage, that is 2 into 100, that is 200 percentage. 35 percentage is 70 marks, that means 1 percentage is 70 by 35, that is 2. If 1 percentage is 2, 100 percentage will be 200. So the total marks or the maximum marks in mathematics will be 200. So that's all about the final sub question in the first question. So let's move to the next question, question number 6. The table above gives the number of kilometers traveled and the number of hours taken by 5 cabs A, B, C, D and E. Data on 3 days is given Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Use the data to answer the questions. So the first question is, the average speed of the cab for 3 days taken together. What is the average speed of the cab? Yeah, for 3 days. So cab. So for Monday, speed is equal to 656, speed equal to distance by time by 16, that is 41. For Tuesday, it is 480 by 12, it's 40. Again for Wednesday, again speed equal to distance by time, it's 410 by 10, that is equal to 41. So 41, 40 and 41 are the speeds in Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So the average speed will be 40 plus 41 plus 41 by 3. That gives you almost 40.6. So the question is approximately. So the answer will be fourth option, 40 km per hour. Here we have found the individual speeds in 3 different days, then found the average. So answer is 40 km per hour. Moving to the second question. The difference between the average speed of cab C and cab E on Monday is, again speed equal to distance by time. Here cab C and cab E on Monday. Cab C on Monday is, speed is cab C 770 by 11, that gives you 70 km per hour. On Monday cab E is 826 by 14. 826 by 14 is 15, and the question is what is the difference in the speed, that is 70 minus 15, and that gives you 11 km per hour. Easy one. So the answer is A, 11 km per hour. Here we were asked the difference in the average speed of cab C and cab E. We use the equation speed equal to distance by time. First of all, we found the speed of C on Monday, then speed of E on Monday. We just find the difference and the answer is 11. That's all about question number 2, 11 km per hour. Moving to the last question, question number 3. Which cab travel most in the 3 days together? They have simply asked which travel the most distance. There is nothing is asked regarding the speed or the time taken. So to find the distance, we have to add directly the distance covered. So A in 3 days, 656 plus 480 plus 410. B 700 plus 490 plus 720, C 770 plus 650 plus 640. Similar way. In the question, they have given four options B, C, D, E, and E. So B will be adding 700 plus 490 plus 720. That will give us 1910. So the total distance traveled by B is 1910. C will be adding 770, 650 and 640. We get it as 2060 kilometer. For D, we will be adding 744, 825 and 840. We get the answer as 2409, and the E will be adding similarly 826, 728 and 840. We get the answer as 2394. The question is which cab traveled the most? So the answer is D. D has traveled 2400 kilometers. So the correct answer is option 3, D.
So friends, that's all about this video discussing data interpretation question from task number 17. I hope you're clear with the questions. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Definitely, we will be happy to reply to your comments. And if you have many more doubts regarding data interpretation, we will be having a different video on that. So don't forget your next task number 18, or the question from tomorrow's video. The description is given in the YouTube link. You can go with that. We'll be also sending you through the WhatsApp if you are parts of Paper 1 free WhatsApp broadcast. Make sure you give your feedback, you subscribe to our YouTube channel Diksha Classroom, and if you would like to know more about Diksha, just visit our website www.dikshaclassroom.com. So that's all about this video. We'll see you tomorrow same time. Thank you.